saya komplain, berbalik lawan orang suki, tambah kata cinta dalam air, kata aktif, ngalang kali kat kini ini nak benar ni. Ha? Tekno, saya kalau nanti kita yang apa, kumbinnya kampung dia sudah berjam tak. Kalau kau nak kabalong kebarit nak kebahaya nak pergi di banci nak sana tu. Tapi dari kikian ini di depan lagi kini biar itu kenung.
Yang betul dalam kaki, apa nama jangan tu betul.
Kut wayar betul.
Kut wayar ni. Kahap kasih ini lah berpendidikan macam kahap lah.
Dia ubah umur kata cerita om. Dalam kalak pendapat tu kerja itu tidak terbicara. Kata kau because he's saying that now he hasn't got any information about this. How come? Yeah, more than 10 times they came. The headman have come here to complain regarding this. How come? Maybe the JE is not interested at all. Just come here and say,
JE is a lady who is like contractual actually. Contractual. Lady. Contractual. But from her, this one appearance also doesn't seem that like she will talk in a rough way or she will not do anything. Doesn't look like that. See, very sober and
to be this thing, since you are a senior most officer in this office, I want all this thing to, from now onwards, from now onwards, from this thing, from today onwards, they shouldn't interact with the people rudely. Lots of things. Regarding him also complaint has come, don't mind. Regarding also complaint have come, and regarding him also, SDO. He is the SDO of that area, na? Regarding also a lot of complaint. I'll be very frank in front of you, I'll speak openly. Lots of complaint have come. Then from now onwards, to please. Whenever the people will come here, please accept them and please respond to them. The only thing I don't want anything from you. I don't have anything to take or give from you. I only want to work and cooperation with the people. If you cooperate with them, they will automatically cooperate with you. Whether it's a small thing or bad thing, whether it's a small thing or a big thing, please take action on that particular time itself, if it's possible. That's my order as an MLA from here. Because जो भी क्या होता है, whatever happened there, whether it's that case or any whatever case it, there are people always come to me only, MLA. So that is my humble request to you, Mr. Tatta.
We have got the name, sir, but this is not clearly defined as so many, no? Okay. He has mentioned.
Yeah, he will speak to us. Kidnap the composition.